Hey Wade, welcome to Data
Welcome to
Science.
Data Science.
So, I thought we should start by talking about what data science is, because I know in statistics there's kind of a debate and there's a lot of different definitions floating around.
Same thing in computer science. We see a lot of different people describing data science as a many different things.
Cool. So, we like to describe data science as the intersection of three different things. And I'm going to start with the first one because this is my field, which is statistics or inferential thinking. So, I'm actually going to make kind of a Venn diagram here to um, describe what we're talking about. So, like I said, the first part of data science is statistics. And this includes inferential thinking, which is basically using what we know about a sample to estimate what we think about a population, things like prediction, regression, um, clustering, stuff like that. And so we need statistics and statistical tools to be able to analyze our data.
And as a computer scientist, I'm going to be bringing computer science to this course. So we're going to be filling in a second circle. And that second circle is going to have a lot of overlap with statistics. So we're going to call this computer science or computational thinking, which is the idea that we're going to use programming to help us solve problems and to look at real data and find out answers to questions we have when we're using real data sets.
Yeah, so this intersection of statistics and computational thinking is key because we can use computer programs to analyze huge amounts of data and perform statistics rather than doing it by hand.
And one thing that we don't want to do is we don't want to just do math to do math, that this isn't a math course, that what we're really diving into is we want to dive into making better decisions by using data. So there's a third piece to this Venn diagram. And that third piece is what we call business intelligence. So how do you take information about the data that you're seeing and transform that into actionable intelligence?
And this part is definitely key because it's one thing to be able to know how to do statistics and how to do computer science and even how to do them um, in combination with each other. But it's also key that you need to know how to communicate your findings or explain your results in industry a lot of times to business partners.
And data science is right here at the intersection of everything.
So, using this model of data science, that's what we're going to be seeing throughout the series.
See you then.